Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm showing the top best sheet for the XinaA15 jailbreak. So the first read is called Choicy Loader. Do not install jailbreaks that don't use substrate. This is a workaround. Always load Choicy first. Rename substrate related files. Use your own risk. So this read is called Alt List, and it's a modern app list alternative. So it's a library intended to be a more lightweight and modern alternative to app list. This does support iOS 7 and up. So if app list is giving you issues, you guys can use this as an alternative. This is called 3D App Version Spoofer. We tweak the add spoofing capabilities. This is for iOS 12 to 15.7.2. So spoof app version right from the 3D Touch menu or 3D menu. It will not change any files related to the app. It's all about hooking. So pretty much doesn't work for every app or game, but pretty much with purposes to trick the app into thinking that you guys have like a certain version of the app that you don't actually have installed, so you can get those features on the older version of the app had. So for example, let's say you had Facebook and Facebook had like this cool feature, and then the newest update of the Facebook app got rid of that feature. You can actually still have that current version of the app, but you can actually use this tweak to trick it into thinking it's an older version of the app, and then it'll give you that feature back. So I said that's not working every app or game, but that's pretty much what this does. And did that support iOS 15 in the release jailbreak. Alright, next is called Cydia Compatibility Layer. It's a compatibility layer for Cydia and Unc0ver. Next is called Cydia Nightly Channel. It's a modern APT package manager front end. So it's pretty much an alternative to Cydia, being as like a package manager. So I also want to read a tweet that Cydia did tweet out. Cydia did tweet out saying that the new Cydia Nightly build with fixes for the XinaA available on repo.anatomy.gay or get the deb at github.com/Cydia/Cydia So the repo, you guys can get this. The newest one right here is Amy's repo. It's repo.anamy.gay. So that's the repo you guys can install and install Cydia Nightly Channel, and this should support the iOS 15 XinaA jailbreak. This is called a Contacts Extended. Your contacts with more options. Supports iOS 12 to 15.7.1. So you get your contacts, but you have more options regarding your contacts. Next is called Hestia. It's a global jailbreak detection bypass. So it does have a bunch of cool features to help you pretty much bypass jailbreak detection for your apps and games. It doesn't work for every app or game, but hopefully it does work for a good amount of them. Next is called libtapsharp. Shared tools for tap sharp tweets. Supports iOS 11.1 to 14.8.1. Locked to supported iOS versions. Alright, next is called Switcher. And this supports iOS 11.1 to 14.8.1. Need something that's on the lock screen. You try Jumper. So it allows you to set up 8 different applications as favorites. It's available from all screens except from the lock screen. Next is called Jumper. Version 2.1.1. Jump into an application straight from the lock screen. Supports iOS 12 to 14.8.1. Next is called Slide Cut. Slide shortcut via space key. Compatible with iOS 5 to 15. So tap space key, then slide the shortcut key and release finger. So it supports these shortcut keys. Next is called Apple Color Emoji. Low quality. It's Apple Color Emoji font. Compatible with iOS 6 and up. Next is called Dim It and dim your lock screen. Compatible with iOS 11 to 15.7.2. Option to enable the tweak, slider for the lock screen dim value, and slider for the home screen dim value. So it allows you to dim your screen to your liking. And last but not least, we have TikTok Live Follow Confirm. And this pretty much supports iOS 10 and up and the latest TikTok application version as of January 1st, which is today's date. So it's got updated. It's a tiny tweak that gives the chance to get the confirm when tapping the follow button in the live streaming of TikTok in order to avoid the accidentally follow the people. So it provides also the soft haptic feedback when tapping the follow button, configure options from settings. And also you don't need a respring for this to enable or disable the tweak. Just kill the application from the switcher and open it again to take effect or take change. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.